The National Weather Service in Zephyr Heights has issued a blizzard warning for Zephyr Heights, Bridlewood and Maritime Bay until further notice. At 5:45 p.m. Equestrian Standard Time, a dangerous blizzard was located over Maritime Bay extending to Bridlewood and Zephyr Heights and was stationary. Hazard, whiteout conditions and freezing temperatures. Source, public. Impact, whiteout conditions will greatly affect all travel. Get inside immediately and protect yourself from the cold. Wear a thick coat, hat, winter pants and hoof protection if you need to go outside.